Hello and welcome to the short video on the Kupo quick release sliding C-stands. This is not your daddy's sliding leg C-stand. C-stands or century stands are synonymous with grip equipment. Their name is derived from the early days of live theater and filmmaking, where lighting equipment was provided by a company called Century Lighting in New York City. Sometimes C-stands can be difficult to open and close, especially if they suffer from neglect and are not adjusted properly. Well, Kupo decided that enough is enough. Just like with their turtle-based versions, they incorporated the unique mechanism that uses gravity to assist the opening and closing of the legs in mere seconds. Too fast for you? Let's check out this bad boy in slow motion. To open a stand, hold the riser section parallel to the ground with the legs facing to your right and upwards. Loosen the knob attached to the big leg. Give the stand a little twist towards you, and watch gravity take over and open the legs for you. Place on the ground and tighten the knob for use on level ground. To close the stand, just reverse the order. Hold the riser section parallel to the ground with the base to your right, with the big leg pointing up. Loosen the knob. If gravity hasn't started closing the legs already, give a little twist away from you and watch the magic happen. I know, some of you may be thinking, but Jason, why is it called a sliding leg C-stand? Basically, there are two flavors of C-stands. A turtle base means that the center column removes from the base, and the sliding leg version means that the top leg slides freely the length of the main riser section so that you can level it on stairs, inclines, or uneven surfaces. Let's level a stand on an apple box to simulate a staircase. With the stand open on the ground, loosen the locking knob. Place the top leg in the apple box and adjust the height until the riser column is vertical. Then tighten the locking knob and you are ready to mount your lights or other grip gear. Make sure the locking pin is engaged above the second leg or the stand can fall under load. They are solidly built out of oversized steel tubing with a load capacity of 22 pounds. Aluminum brake castings, and stainless steel helicoil inserts to protect the brake castings from the steel bolts attached to the knobs to prevent stripping. The knobs are captive, so they will not come off or get lost. And zinc castings attaching the legs to the riser column for extra strength and long life. The legs come in 3 different heights, enabling the user to solder or place a stand very close to one another. The minimum height is 52.2 inches, and the maximum height is 123.2 inches, with a footprint diameter of 37.4 inches. The stand comes also in sleek black powder coat. The quick release sliding leg C-stands also come in kits consisting of the stand, a 2.5-inch grip head with big handle, and a 40-inch grip arm. As Kupo continues to innovate, your job becomes easier and faster. Grab some Kupo C-stands today and let gravity do the work for you. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.